Number Theory Foundation Series Episode 1. This video I'm going to discuss about prime numbers with example, co-prime number and divisibility rule of 3, 4, 6, 9. Let's start. First question. Write down the prime numbers between 30 to 70. So we know about prime numbers, but let me discuss again. A prime number has exactly two distinct factors, 1 and itself. So we have to find out prime number between 30 and 70. First of all, 30 and 70 is not a prime number. Why? Because we have several factors of 30 and 70. So how about 31? Here we will write the prime number. So we know 31 is a prime number because we cannot divide 1 and itself. So 31 is a prime number. Second, 32, we can omit this one because any number if divided by 2 it will not prime number. Also last digit 0 or 5 it will not prime number. So 31, 32 out, 33 out. Why? Because 33 we can divide by 3, we can divide by 11, etc. Therefore 31 we will keep, 32, 33 will not prime number. So next 34, 35, 36 everything will not prime number. 37 is a prime number. 38 is a even number, so we can omit this one. 39 we can divide by 3, 39 and 1, so it will not prime number. 40 is naturally complex number. 41 we can take, right? 41, 43, why not 42? Because it's a even number. Then we can take 47. How about 44, 45, 46? We can find more than 2 factors. Next 53. Why? Because 48 even number, 49 it's a prime factor, we can divide by 7, 49 and 1. 50 is a even number. Then 51 we can divide by 3, right? 52 is a even number. 53 is a prime number. Next prime number is 59. So why not 57? 57 we can divide by 3, right? 1 and 9. 3 times 19 is a 57. Next is a 61 and finally 67. So these numbers are what? Prime number between 30 to 70. So 30 to 70 prime numbers. Okay, so first question answer done. Second question, determine which of the following pairs are co-prime. Here is some numbers. So first we have to know about co-prime. Co-prime GCD, it means greatest common divisor, is 1. It means they have no common factor except 1. So number A, here is 27 and 54. This is not co-prime, not co-prime. Why? Look, 27 we can write 3 times 3 times 3. right? And this 54 we can write 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Why? 3 times 3 times 3 is a 27. 27 times 2 is a 54. So what is the common thing? Here is 3 3's and here is also 3 3's. It means it's not common, it's not co-prime, because here GCD equals to 27. We should need GCD 1 if we want to find co-prime. So GCD is 1, then co-prime, but if not 1, so it's not what? Co-prime. So first number A is not co-prime. Number B, 63 and 91. It's a co-prime. How? Look, 63 we can divide one thing. Look, 63 we can write, suppose 3 times 3 times 7, right? And 91, how can we find out the factors? So this one, not 3, it's a 7 times 13. Look, interesting thing, here common factor is 7. It means this GCD equals to 7. So it also not co-prime. Okay. Next, number C. This is 189 and 210. It's also, look, here is 189 and 210. It's also what? Prime or not prime? Let's check about 189. 189 we can divide by 3 because here is 6 and 3 is 63. Again we can divide by 3, so here is 21. Divide by 3, so here is 7. So 189 means 3 times 3 times 3 times 7. How about 210? We can divide by 3, so here is 70, right? Then we can divide by what? 2, so here is 35. We can divide by 5, so here is 7. Interesting thing, here common factor is 7 and 7, so it's not co-prime because GCD become what? 7, but we want 1. Number D, here is 52 and 97. 52 and 97. So first 52 we can divide by 2, so here is 26. We can again divide by 2, so here is 13. So how about 97? 97 is a what? Prime number. So here 52 and 97 common factor is 1, so co-prime, because 52 and 97 GCD equals to 1, right? So number 2, 27 54, it's not a co-prime. 63 91 not co-prime. 89 210 not co-prime, but 52 and 97 it's a co-prime number. So number 2 done. Number 3, which of the following numbers are divisible by the numbers as indicated? Look, number A, here is 545 6774 and 8535 can divisible by 3 or not. Look, a rule which is sum of the digits divisible by 3, that number should be divisible by 3. So number A, first 5 4 5, we can write this on 5 plus 4 plus 5, it means 10 and this is 14. So 545 is not divisible by 3. Okay, very simple. Next, number not B, actually this one is number A, but another number which is 6774. Let's check. 6 plus 7 plus 7 plus 4, it means 7 plus 4 is a 10 and 7 plus 7 is a 14, 14 plus 10 is a 24. 24 we can divide by 3, so we can say 6774 is divisible by 3. Very simple. Next one, 8535. 8535. Let's check each other summation. 8 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5. So 8 plus 5 is a 13. 13 plus 3 is a what? 16. 16 plus 5 is a 21. So look, 21 we can divide by 3. So we can say 8535 is divisible by 3. Very simple. So our first part done. Second part, here is some number, we have to find out is this number can divide by 4. So what is the rule? Rule is last two digits from a number divisible by 4. So here first one 8542. Look, 8542 last two digit is 42. So 42 cannot divide by 4. We know the rule, if the number last two digit if divide by 4, whole number also can be divided by 4, but here last two digit is 42, but 42 we cannot divide by 4, the fraction will become, so we can say this number is not divisible what? By 4. Next, 2184 is divisible by 4. How? Because here last two digit is 84. 84 we can easily divide by 4, which is 21, right? Next, 5274. So here last two digit is 74. 74 we cannot divide by 4, right? So the fraction will become, so we can say is not divisible by 4. Okay, so number A and B done. Now number C, where some number we have to find out is it divisible by 6 or not. Look, here is rules, must be divisible by both 2 and 3. Let's check. So number C, first one 2184. So no need to check about 2 because here unit digit is 4, which is even, so whole number is even, and even number easily divided by 2. So let's check about 3. 2 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4 equals to what? 2 plus 1 is a 3, 3 plus 8 is a 11, 11 plus 4 is a 15. 15 we can divide by 3. So we can say 2184 can divide by what? 6. Why? Because this is an even number, so we can divide by 2, and also we check 2184 also can divided by 3. Therefore total number can be divisible by 6. Next one 1074. 1074. So this is even number, so it's easily divided by 2. So how about summation? 1 plus 0 plus 7 plus 4 equals to 7 plus 4 is a 11, 11 plus 1 is a 12. So this 12 we can divide by 3. So we can say 1074 can, you can write divide by or divisible by 6. And finally last one is 7832. This is also even number, so it's divided by 2. Now 7 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2. So 7 plus 8 is a 15, 15 plus 3 is a 18, 18 plus 2 is a 20. So 20 divide 3, it will be fraction come, right? So we can say 7832 cannot divisible by what? 6. So this is done. Now number D. D we can copy in here. This is D, and we can keep here. So what is the rule of divisible 9? Nine rule is, so we are making some design. So sum of digit divisible by 9. So it's similar 3. First 5075. So 5 plus 0 plus 7 plus 5. So 5 plus 7 is a 12. 12 plus 5 is a what? 17. So 17 cannot divided by 9. So we can say 5075 can't but cannot divisible by what? 9. Next 1737. So 17 we can write 1 plus 7 plus 3 plus 7. So 7 plus 3 is a 10, 10 plus 7 is a 17, 17 plus 1 is a 18. 18 we can divide it by 9. So 1737 can divisible by 9. And our last question, this is what? 2193. So 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 3. So 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. So 15 cannot divide it by 9. Therefore 2193 cannot divide by 9. So very easy way we are trying to solve all the question, which is very important for competitive examination, right? So no more today. This is episode 1. We are trying to solve based on prime number, co-prime number, and also try to find out some divisibility numbers, which is 3, 4, 6, 9. So please subscribe my channel if you think this video is helping you. By this channel you will get lots of things about your examination. Also please share with your friends. Thank you.